Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix your microphone in Streamlabs if it's not working properly. This is super important to ensure smooth streaming and clear audio for your viewers. Right now, I'm speaking, but as you can see, there's no mic activity showing up in Streamlabs. That means the mic isn't being detected. To fix this, the first thing you want to do is check if your mic is muted. In my case, it actually is. So I'll just unmute it by clicking on the mic icon. Now it's unmuted, but there's still no input showing. Next, click on the settings icon next to the microphone, then select Properties. Here, make sure the volume is set to 100%. Now under the device section, make sure the correct microphone is selected. For example, mine was set to stereo mix, which is my speaker, not my actual mic. I'll change it to the correct microphone. And there you go. Once I selected the right device, the input activity appeared. That means the mic is now working. You can also run a quick mic test by clicking the Test Audio button and speaking into your mic. Hello, hello. There you go, it's picking up sound. And that's it. Your microphone should now be working properly in Streamlabs. If you want to take your streaming to the next level, consider checking out Streamlabs Ultra. There's a link in the description and pinned comment where you can save instantly. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.